Guys, welcome back to Listen the Great. It's still Jan, it's still the beginning of 2023, and this year we want to find ways to make as much money as possible. So today I'm going to be beginning a 3-part series on saving. So part 1, how do you save? Saving has to be made fun. Saving has to include bonuses, and saving has to include prizes. That way, saving becomes less tedious and becomes an activity that everybody is looking forward to. So one method that you could use for saving is saving daily. If you can save like just 2,000 shillings every single day, do you know at the end of the year you'd have over 100k? You'd actually have, you could save a minimum of just even 100 shillings every day. At the end of the week, you'd have 700, and at the end of the year, you'd 100. That is 400. That's a good amount. Maybe next December, you don't have to now start thinking of like taking out money for like your pay slip and stuff. You'd already have money for your vacation. If you have a business idea, you'd have money to invest into your business. And this is a method I would actually ask people to consider. The second method of saving is called the staircase approach. The staircase approach is where if this month I saved 1,000 shillings, next month I save 1,500, the other month 2,000, the other month 2,500, and continue that way till the end of the year. If you're consistent with that, you cannot lack a minimum of 45,000 to 50,000 at the end of the year. And for the staircase method, what makes it even more fun, actually for all saving methods, you could consider doing these saving methods with friends, close friends and family. And you can have different targets. Everybody can have different targets on what they are saving based on one's capability. But at the end of the year, because you're doing it with friends and family and it's competitive, whoever has saved the most, the rest of the people contribute and get this person a prize. I think I'll try that one with my mommy and my close friends. And the third method in this first part series is trying the 365 money saving challenge. So what is a 365 money saving challenge? This is a challenge where you choose a small amount of money daily and then every day increase the amount slowly. You could even start with 20 shillings, 30 shillings, 40 shillings, like that. Personally, I would advise you to try with 100 shillings on Monday, 150 on Tuesday, 200 on Wednesday, 50 on Thursday, 300 on Friday. And if you're disciplined enough, I feel that you can take the weekend off. You clearly deserve it for all the discipline. Then start all over again on the next Monday, 100, Tuesday, 150, like that. By the end of the year, you should have like 48,000 or even more, depending on the initial amount that you kept aside. So we also have to consider the fact that there are people who find that saving daily is quite a task. For such people, you could say on Sunday or maybe on Friday, on Thursday, whichever day of the week that you want, I will be putting aside like 1,500 shillings or maybe 1,000 shillings, and be diligent about the day that you choose to be your saving day. And then this amount of money, you could lock it in your Mshwari, you could lock it in your KCB, you could save it in you could lock it in like locked savings in your bank, you could put it in a circle. For those who are okay with a chama, you could do it as a chama if you're doing it as a group activity. And at the end of the year, if you're just working with 100 shillings on Monday, 150 on Tuesday, 200 on Wednesday, 250 on Thursday, 300 on Friday, then repeat the next week, you should have like 72,000. Saving is very important, and though it might not make you a billionaire because you need to now invest, it could be the first step towards you getting enough money to invest and growing yourself. This year we want to make some good money, and saving is one of the ways. So leave a comment, leave a question, and till next time, consider subscribing to my channel. Remember, you're beautiful within and without, and don't let anybody tell you anything else. Bye bye.